Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tennis ball machines that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Spinshot Plus-2 Tennis Ball Machine. Spinshot Plus Tennis Ball Machine is ranked as the best of all tennis ball machine. Most importantly, it offers full drill programmability. It operates on a quick oscillation setting. Its other promising features are that it is packed with 120 ball capacity. This machine is easy to transport and comes with a free phone remote control. The user will be offered with flexible power options and also a smartwatch remote option. It is due to the patented ball jam design that you may love this machine. It is installed with stable Wi-Fi connection, and no doubt, all of these features make this tennis ball machine popular and reliable to use. Moreover, it has an easy-to-read OLED screen. Moving on, at number 4, we have Esam Value Tennis Ball Machine. Esam Value Tennis Ball Machine is the next best and reliable to use recommendation. You can try out this machine as lots of best features are present in it. Moreover, it offers random oscillation. To fine-tune your tennis skills, you can use it. This machine is exclusively recommended to beginner level as well as expert level tennis players. It carries out the process of shot selection right from ground strokes all to high lobs. Besides, you will be able to 3 power configurations. Most noteworthy, this brand has been in this business over 15 years ago. So, yes, this is the brand that you can trust. This machine is exclusively tested on quality and service. Commendable features are present in it. It comes and accompanied by adjustable 2-line oscillation. It gives out elevation control, speed control and feed control integrated along with the provision of 2-wheel delivery systems. At number 3, we have Wilson Portable Tennis Machine. This sports tutor Wilson Portable Tennis Ball Machine is made in the USA. This brand is one of the popular names when it comes to making tennis ball machines. Moreover, you will always see top quality and performance in this product. Talking about the important features of this machine, it is adjustable right from light to heavy. Its ball speed range is 75 miles per hour. Even more, its ball trajectory is electronically set and adjustable. You can adjust it from ground stroke right to lob. So, what have you decided? Do try this machine. Its ball accommodating capacity is pretty high. Almost 110 balls can be accommodated in it. Furthermore, it manages to deliver and give out shots randomly all across the court. The installation of a built-in battery is going to give you 4 hours of playing time. At number 2, we have GDAE 10 Automatic Table Tennis Robot Tennis Ball Machine. Moving to the next recommendations, we have this GDAE 10 Automatic Tennis Ball Machine for you. If you love to play tennis and you are at the beginner level, then using this tennis ball machine is a must for you. It offers an easy installation. There is no equipment needed to install and set up this machine. Besides, it is lightweight and convenient to carry. It can hold approximately 110 balls, and that is the best part about it. You can configure the settings by using the wired remote control. In this way, you will be able to better operate all of the functions of this machine. Make sure to adjust the position of this machine in a desirable and needed manner. And then enjoy having your tennis time. This is the best gift to be given to your family and friends who love to play tennis. And finally, at number 1. Boomer Tennis Ball Machine. How about trying this Boomer Tennis Ball Machine? Upon ordering this product, you will get one tennis ball machine along with the speaker, computer. It has an LCD screen that contains a built-in video camera. Also, there is a wireless keyboard and wireless remote injected with the main product. You may find this tennis ball machine extremely easy to store. It consists of a detachable hopper that is pretty much large enough to hold up to 120 balls. Hence, try this product and share your opinion on it. It is ideal to be used by professionals and beginner-level tennis player. You can set the serving speed and also frequency if you wish to do so. You only have to turn the button and desired settings will be adjusted by you. The installation of a strong motor will consistently give you a steady and powerful serve.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.